girl Namrata from My Closet Diary, of course, and today I am going to review a retinol based cream by Wow Skin Science. So before we start the video, let us talk about what is retinol. So guys, retinol is a derivative of vitamin A, which is really good for your skin to maintain the texture of your skin. In fact, this is an active ingredient in many popular night creams and anti-aging creams. So this is really essential for your skin. So now, why we love retinol and why should we use it? So let me quickly tell you. It helps to improve your skin texture by promoting formation of collagen in it. It also helps you to reduce those fine lines and wrinkles, and then it helps you to get rid of those pigmentation and breakout marks as well. Now that I have told you everything about retinol, let me introduce you to this product by Wow. This is a retinol based face cream, and this is the first ever face cream which I am using from this brand. So this is how the outer layer looks like. So this box is very sturdy and it's golden and brown in color. The MRP of this product is $5.99. You can get it for $500 or something. So you guys need to check out their website for the offers. Now let me quickly show you guys the internal package. So this is how the internal one looks like, and again it's really beautiful, guys. The USP of this is you don't have to take out the product and use your fingers and touch the entire product. Whenever you want to use this, all you need to do is pump out this and the product is here, so just take it out and use it. So now let me quickly show you the texture of this product. So this is how it looks like, and let me spread it. So guys, you can see this is neither too thick not too mild, but I think good amount for our skin. So now let me quickly apply it all over and show you guys. So you can see it got absorbed in my skin really quick. So just a while back I was talking about active ingredients. So there are two active ingredients in this product. One is vitamin A and the second one is hyaluronic acid. So retinol usually dries up your skin, so when you use any cream or serum which is retinol based, you need an active oil, bio oil or any thick cream in it. So instead of that, they have used hyaluronic acid here. Don't be scared of the name acid because it's not at all harmful. Hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin and it's the best moisturizer you can ever get. So now how to use this? So it's very simple. You have to use it always on a cleansed face and make sure you use it at night itself, and always do apply it in a circular motion, and it should be upward motion. In fact, when you're applying it on your neck, it should be from your neck to jaw. So guys, one thing you should remember that retinol shows its effects after 6 to 8 weeks. So I think this particular jar will last more than that, and you have to have patience for that, and definitely you will see the result. Also, when you start using any retinol based product, make sure whenever you're stepping out, you have to apply sunscreen. So this is it, guys. I'm not talking about paraben, mineral free, etc. because we already have spoken about it a lot many times, so you already know how it is. And do subscribe to my channel if at all you haven't. Until the next time, see you.